Here I have REALME C25s, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of device, tool, to eject SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So just put the device inside the hole next to the slot, slightly push it, and here you have to put your SD card, and here your SIM card, and then put it back into device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires pin code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's enter it, and to show you that SD card is also found, I'll go to the file manager, and as you can see, SD card appeared here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.